Okay, Micromod Dude here again, going over this quick obstacle avoidance LEDs on my DJI Spark. I was actually watching my my Ring Pro surveillance camera one night that did the recording after I came down and landing on my drone, and I noticed these interesting lights beaming from my drone. So again, after looking over a little bit, I realized these are the obstacle avoidance LED lights. They're basically shining an LED, and I'm so sorry, they're shining in infrared. So, of course, the Ring Pro camera can see the lights because it records and sees anything in infrared. So as you see in the video, it looks really bright white lights shining. They shine. They basically blink non-stop. The front ones blink, going to the front avoidance. The one on the bottom, it looks like it's just constant. Maybe it's flashing too fast. I can't see. I don't know. I think the Ring only records at 15 frames per second, but so it looks like a steady stream of white beam light on the bottom. So the bottom one, I don't have the rear light, the rear avoidance turned on. So we don't see that in action. But as you can see there, look how far as you stick the drone up, it goes pretty far down. I mean, that infrared LED light is really bright. Of course, with the naked eye, you can't see any of this at all. But it's kind of cool to be able to see it with the Ring Pro, and see how the infrared obstacle avoidance lights work in action. See how it blinks in front of the device, under the device. And just overall, just kind of cool how this kind of tech is involved for such a little drone that fly around and we get the benefits from it. All right. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Until next time, and please subscribe. Peace.